Okay.
Hello, baby.
Talk to him. Talk to him. Tell a story.
Baby, in school, you know, the school that me on the truck.
When?
When I was going to school,
You know?
then teacher Ikit said, Imo, that's really bad.
Oh?
He's getting mad, oh.
He's getting mad at Imo.
Then Imo said, sorry. He
Oh.
didn't mean it in his heart.
Look at him when you talk to him.
And Riley was pretending she was putting makeup. Just using slippers.
Like that? Oh.
Then Leo was also. Then me and Leo were sick.
Got sick?
Oh no, we're sick in the classroom.
Ah, but a few.
But we should not sing. We're
Oh.
not singing. We're not writing properly. But the assignment is just easy. But PKM's not.
Oh.
Because it is Tagalog.
Will you still sing in your program in school? Ah, okay. They told you?
Then
Ask your teacher tomorrow, huh? Because I'm gonna
Then,
prepare a gown for you. A beautiful gown. Hmm?
I didn't know. I didn't want clowns on my birthday. Then
He's laughing at you.
are you scared of clowns?
Ew, he said. He's
I
yawning.
saw clowns in your baptism. Ah!
Clowns?
There's 2 clowns.
Ah, because there was a party, the other
Yeah,
room.
it's in the other party.
Ah!
Look, MJ.
Take a picture.
Ay, sa video.
MJ, pag camera eh, pag video eh.
Yee!